Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we are at 1650 Bagley Street in Detroit, Michigan. This brand new build has 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,400 square feet, 3 floors, and wait till you see the view from the balcony. So starting with the front of the home, the entryway is on the ground floor, and as you enter, you have this foyer with a beautiful modern chandelier right up above, and as you take the stairs up, you come to the first floor. All right, and coming to the first floor, you're greeted with these oak wood floors. You also have your living room space right when you enter. Take a look at it, it's very spacious. You have a modern fan up above, and you have these double-sized patio doors that lead right outside. We're gonna cover the balcony in a second. But going to our right, you have your kitchen. So this kitchen has all quartz countertops. As you can see, this island is absolutely huge. You have light fixtures up above that are very modern. Overall, it has a very modern feel in the entire home. Even the faucets to the appliances, everything has a black and white feel. I love that color combination. You also have all smart appliances, induction and convention stove. You have a hood vent up above. I love how they did this design here with the tiles as a backsplash. And again, quartz countertops here as well. You have a modern dishwasher as well, and a very sleek cabinetry with the black finishes that look stunning as well. Now let's go look at the dining room, and we're gonna head upstairs in a bit. So this is your dining room section. You got your own window here on this side. You can put a table here. You have this stunning light fixture right up above as well, so you can eat dinner and enjoy some company. Right next to that, you have another half bathroom. Take a look at this. So in this half bathroom, you have your toilet, of course. You do have a window in here to illuminate the space, and you have a vanity that's actually hooked right onto the wall. You have a light fixture to your right and a stunning mirror piece as well, and that covers that half bathroom. Now let's go upstairs. So we're on the second floor, and to my left is the primary bedroom. We're gonna show you that in a second, but first I wanna cover the secondary bedroom and the laundry room. So right through these double doors is your laundry room. You have space to put your washer dryer here. You can stack them so it saves space, and that's all tucked away into the hallway. Now let's look at that secondary bedroom. So this is your secondary bedroom. You have 2 large windows here, again, bringing in some natural light. You have a fan up above. You have the same engineered oak floors below you, and you have your own full bathroom. I love the finishes that they did in this bathroom. You have the tiles on the wall and the floors. I am a huge fan of this, but they have like barn glass doors, sliding glass doors on for the shower here. And the black and white theme complements the space really well because this is a brand new build, as I mentioned. It was built in 2024. All right, welcome to your own private rooftop. You have 360 views literally all over. You have the Ambassador Bridge that you can see here. You have Caesars Casino that you can see from here. The Hudson building, which is still going up, but you'll be able to see that. You can see Motor City Casino from here. You can put a ton of furniture here and decorate this space so that way in the summertime, you can come up here, have barbecues, and just overall an amazing rooftop for you to enjoy in the summer. And that's just one of the many perks that you get with this condominium. Let's go check out that primary bedroom. So we're back on the second floor heading to the primary bedroom, but I did want to mention these beams that they have on both floors that give it a very modern and complete look. And as you enter the primary bedroom, to the right you have your primary bathroom first. You have dual vanity here with these mirror fixtures and light fixtures on each side. And not only do you have tiles on the floor and the wall over here, you have tiles in the entire shower. And the shower has these nice black finishes as well on the inside and the outside. And then you have a huge window, again, bringing in some light. So that covers your primary bathroom. And as you exit the primary bathroom, to my right, you have a closet as well. Plenty of space in here to hang clothes and shoes. And then you have the primary bedroom itself. I mean, take a look at this. You have plenty of space here for a bed. You have lamps on each side that you can use to illuminate the space or use as a book light as well. You have the same modern fan right up above, and this comes with its own balcony. So let's go out here and take a look at this. So this is your own balcony for your primary bedroom. You got nice views from here as well. You have the same modern finishes out here. You have these beams that add a really cool modern touch as well. I don't know about you guys, but waking up from my primary bedroom, coming out here and having a cup of coffee would be absolutely bliss. You have the nice summer weather and you have nice views right in the heart of Corktown in Detroit. So that covers the inside, guys. Now let's take a look at this courtyard here. You have a one-car garage that you get here. You have this huge courtyard. You have a gate where you can enter your car through and park it here, but you also have street parking. It's very easily accessible. And when you park your car on the street, you have this gate right here that leads right into this courtyard. And that is it for the home tour, everyone. So thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Also, again, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page so you don't miss out on any future videos. Guys, Slo's Barbecue is literally right down the street. It was actually one of the favored restaurants here. It was mentioned in Man vs. Food. So you guys remember that show from back in the day. I'm gonna go have some lunch. We'll see you guys next time.